Alright, I am back with another behind the scenes video for rides. I don't know what this ride will be. See what we can do for the environments. Let's do Crystal Empire this time. I don't know where you can place it. Let's see. I can't really place it. Oh, I can. I can. That's gonna be great. Okay, I can do that. Alright, let's try to see if we can get it right. That would work. There we go. Okay, awesomeness. Okay, which one is... okay, it goes that way. Okay, got it. Alright. I just want to make sure, because I wasn't sure exactly. Okay, so... colors... Alright, color... First, so it's going to be... the center is going to be black. Okay, black. Come on, get there. There we go, black. Crossbar is going to be yellow, right there. Yes. Rail is going to be white. Supports are going to be blue. That's better. Okay. Add and save. Okay. Alright, cool. Alright, awesome. Alright. Okay, let's go ahead and start the ride. Let's go down. Yeah, it's gonna be crazy. Insane amount of craziness it's going to be. Alright, and down. And then down again. Alright. Okay, there's loop. Awesomeness. Okay, and then a big up one. Big one that goes all the way up. So I can go, okay. Good. I want to at least, every ride, at least one ride I have to have it where it kind of goes all the way up. Okay. And then turn a bit. A little sloping up and down kind of thing. Oh, I wanted it a little bit higher than that. Okay, let's do this. Okay, high. Oh no! God damn it! Let me do it! Come on! This game is not like me today. Yeah, this particular Ultimate Ride in general does not want to be nice to me. It barely runs on my computer anyway. I mean, literally, I have to use my my phone to record this guy. It's so hard to even record. So all the episodes you see are recorded via my phone, my Android, and that's because the graphics that I have right now, my graphics card aren't the best. So it's on my phone. That's why you see that's why the quality is not great, because it's on my phone. And until I get a new graphics card, I'm just gonna wait. That's the way it's gonna be. So yeah. All right. I feel like I should just have a lot of up and down stuff like that. Just have fun, that kind of thing. Yeah, definitely. Okay. Okay, up. And down. Okay. This way. Ooh, nice. Nice. Okay. Alright. Cool. Awesomeness. Alright. No, I really can't. Darn it. It's unfortunate. Yeah, it kind of is. It makes it very difficult to do anything like this. We need the cool stuff. Alright, move down. Up. And then down. And then turn. And then up again. Oop. Yeah. Oh boy. Okay. It's really crazy. Okay. Going down. Oh boy. Okay. How do I fix this? There we go. That's fixed. Okay. Alright. Turn. Ah! Okay, maybe a little less than that. There we go. That's better. And down it goes. Go. Okay, good. And then a fun little twist. 2, 3, and then insane one that goes all the way down. That's gonna be crazy. Yeah, it could probably be like that. Yeah, a little bit insane. Similar thing with this guy where it goes up, high up. Not crazy high up, just semi crazy high up. Ah, crap. Maybe I can do this. There we go. That's better. Okay. Alright, good. And then down it goes again. Ah, shit. Okay. There we go. Okay, I think that's a good time to go ahead and end this. It's pretty good. I think it's nice and lengthy. It's yeah, I think it's actually pretty good. So let me go ahead and end it. Part of it, figuring out exactly how to get this to work. Alright, and then up. Ah, crap, okay. I still gotta figure this out. No. The problem, I gotta figure out exactly how to get this to work properly. It's so difficult. Come on. There's gotta be a way to do this. What the hell? Why is it turning? I didn't ask it to turn. Come on. collision going on here. I know. There we go. Okay. I think that's good for the ride. Let's go ahead and add the stuff that I need that makes it go. Probably a boost here. And then a chain. And then down, and then maybe a boost here, a couple boosts here. Boost here. Boost here. Boost here. Okay. Alright, and then boost here. Boost here. Boost here. Okay, and then all the way around here. This is going down, so I don't have to really worry about much of it, really. Okay, boost here. Boost here. Okay, good. Shouldn't need to have any problem with that. Okay, run that. Okay, maybe some boosts here. Alright. Let's test it, make sure it works, because you know what happens when it doesn't work. Okay, so there's like one thing I want to change about this ride, and that is over here. I'm gonna change this to not chains, to actually speed boosts. Just because. Okay, one more test and it should be good. Alright, it's done. So yeah, let's go ahead and add in the stuff, the props. Okay, so one of them is for wind blowers. I guess the pinwheels are. This is the pinwheel. Okay, wind blowers. Imagining this is what these are. I'm not exactly sure, but I think. Okay, I'm trying to figure out exactly how to add them properly. Okay, and the other ones right here. Okay, sure. There's not really any wind blowers that that, you know. Let's see. Yeah, not really. Okay, so and then flags. There's not really any flags. I'm looking, but I don't really see any. Yeah, not really. Okay, I don't really see any flags at all. There's not any flags, unfortunately. Okay. A creature, some kind of creature. Okay, probably a monster thing. Let's see, what can I put on top of this thing? Let's see. Huh, alright. Maybe not this one. Trying to figure out, because this really doesn't fit anywhere. Okay, There's not really any place to put this stuff. I'm trying to figure this out, but I don't know where to put this. Pool monster, maybe? This has to be on top of the mountain. But I don't really know how to do that. Like, there's not really any way to do anything on top of the mountain. Like, at all. I wish there was, but I don't really see any way to do that. Let's see. I think I'm putting it, like, I can put it up here, but I don't know where I can put it exactly. There's no room. Yeah, sorry, I don't really see anything. Beast totem, okay. No, yeah, let's see. A snail? No, that's not gonna work. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to opt out on the... Some baby dragon, there's a dragon. just not have a thingy. So unfortunately, that's all I can do. I can't do anything. So unfortunately, that's just the way it is. So yeah. Okay. Anyway, let's go ahead and save it as declare name actually. Expedition so where's T I O N Blizzard B L I Z Z A R D Expedition Blizzard. Okay, there you go. It's done, saved. I'm done with it. I really wish I could have the props, but I can do nothing with the props. I can't do anything with the props, but it's still. I think it's gonna be a really good ride. It's pretty fast, I think, but it's pretty nice. It's pretty short too. So anyway, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this behind the scenes video on how I made Expedition Blizzard. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button. I really do appreciate the support. And if you're new to this channel, subscribe for more behind the scenes videos or rides that I make and other great content. And I'll be back next time with another behind the scenes video. Alright? See ya.